Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're an American Express cardholder, you know that their offers can be a game changer for saving money on everyday purchases, travel, and more. In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enroll in American Express offers so you can start racking up rewards in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your American Express card handy and that you can access your online account. If you haven't already, download the American Express app on your smartphone or head to their website. Once you're logged in, look for the Offers or Deals tab. It's usually front and center on the homepage. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. After logging in, navigate to the Offers section. You'll see a variety of personalized deals based on your spending habits. American Express curates these just for you, so it's super relevant. Next, browse through the available offers. You might find discounts on dining, shopping, or even streaming services. Pretty cool, right? Now, for step 2. To enroll, simply click on an offer that catches your eye. It will prompt you to add it to your eligible card. Select the card you want to link it to. Remember, not all cards qualify for every offer, so double check. Once added, some offers might require activation, which is as easy as clicking a button. This step ensures you get credit for your purchases. Don't forget step 3. Keep an eye on the offer's terms and expiration dates. American Express offers often have specific requirements, like spending a certain amount at a particular merchant. Set reminders on your phone to track them. And just like that, you're all set. By enrolling in these offers, you could earn cashback, statement credits, or points on things you were already planning to buy. If you run into any issues, American Express has excellent customer support. Just give them a call. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart enrolling means more savings in your pocket. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.